Test.
Okay, the testing can correctly test correctly. Hello everyone. Today with music. I detect that I not sent music for a long time. So today I with another developer. We continue to do OBS interrupter, but my co-speaker today currently I have start talk about his project about Minecraft launchwrapp. Now Other can hear you.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm here with Anton today. Anton, for some reason, decided to start from this topic. Actually, I can't imagine any problems with that. So it means that I need to start describing this problem. So maybe you want to ask something before I start?
Currently no questions in chat for now. Just you can start.
Okay.
This all be recorded.
Actually, I start my topic from my problems with Microsoft Edge browser, because sometimes it's just crash in some weird way. It looks like a typical crash in GUI application on Linux, where when you have application frozen but everything is work, like you have frozen picture and but music still work and so on. But this is and it's crash in that way for some reason that I can understand for now, and it's just do it right now. So yes, okay, let's start. Just
okay, thank you.
check the bees and oh, thank you.
Anyway, I say thank you for your start about your project. You can continue while I continue coding.
Just give me a second. I need to prepare peas.
Okay.
So, So yes, launchwrapp. As far as you know, the old versions of Minecraft have no options for command line or some different way, like environment variables, to set different Minecraft folder location or different starting resolution or so. And if we're talking about starting resolution or full screen mode, it's not a big problem, but Minecraft folder location, it's a big problem, and that's why Mojang at some point of time uh, when they create their new launcher uh, on Minecraft version 1.6. They create uh, some kind of program that named launchwrapp. Uh, and this program helps Minecraft launcher, new Minecraft launcher, to launch old versions of Minecraft. Uh, it use some special libraries that help to modify uh, Java assembly and runtime, and they just parse main class and trying to find the uh, file type file type variable in this class and replace the value of this variable with a different folder. And it's not so hard and it's work very well, but the problem here is how launch wrapper operate with that class. Because if you want to modify this class, you need to be sure that this class is loaded in modified way and not in original. And Java actually has a mm, special class type for special actually mechanism for this. It's class loaders, and you can easily specify your own class loader for any application and use it in that application without any problem. And as you can imagine from uh, the name of class loader, uh, the uh, main target of these classes is to load another classes. And it's actually the thing that we want to do. So they create a special class loader that load any classes from Minecraft jar. But using special rules that described in this launch wrapper, they allow mm, they filter the classes who modify only Minecraft main class. Uh, and the problem here is the type of filtration that they prefer for this type of loader, because mm, if we see the code, we have special methods named find class, and this method trying to find class and prepare and load it from jar and return already created class.
Um, Sorry for
But
interrupting you.
yeah,
Can I show this code?
yes, of course you can. I think first of all you can use open source Git repository of Mojang. They shared the code of launch wrapper. I give a link for you right now.
Um, Send it, please. I just really need to show this moment for just for viewers can read about what you actually do.
Let me see now. Uh, I think it's here.
Mm. Thank you.
So the code that I'm talking about is located in launch class loader. Class class and yeah, find class
Mm-hmm.
methods. So
Um,
okay,
maybe
I also need to
I detected some problem.
share
Short
with you.
problem.
Maybe
Sorry for you watch black screen. I just now fix it. You can continue.
okay. Take me a minute. Oh, give me a minute. I need open new window. Yeah. So as you can see right now in the find class, we have a bunch of different rules that must be proceed before we actually load classes.
Mhm.
It's actually not a big problem if we loading only Minecraft main class with that loader. But in that case, we load all Minecraft classes with that loader. And for every class, and as you can imagine, uh, the
About this project.
the Minecraft have a big amount of classes, and for every of that class, we need to proceed all these checks and all these comparisons for cycles and so and
Um, uh, for for sorry for interrupting again. I need to you look at this window or on the whole my screen so you can actually point me
okay.
where I must go in these classes because I
You need to open launch class loader Java.
launch cross loader. Okay.
Yeah. Uh, Actually, this launch wrapper has only one class loader in that case,
Mm-hmm.
and it's it is it.
Mm-hmm.
You need just scroll a bit down on line 95. Yeah,
What's this line?
starting from this. So yes, now you can see the find class function. Uh, this function is called every time when uh, class loader trying when program asks class loader to load class every time without exceptions. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different checks, including a few for cycles in this procedure. Yes, of course, we have cached classes, but these cached classes also take some time to proceed because before we proceed in valid classes and also class loader exceptions. Uh, if we're finalizing everything here, we can see that uh, loading class using this class loader can take some time. And actually, it's not so important if we're loading just one class, uh, like if we loading just Minecraft main using this class loader and loading everything another classes, uh, any another classes using different class loader. But in Minecraft, every class in Minecraft jar will be loaded using this class loader without exceptions. But only Minecraft class will be modified because they will proceed over these checks. Uh, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
just it's you can just scroll a bit down and the sections that start with try catch. Yeah, starting from that, uh, we starting transformation of the class, and this is actually can take uh, a lot of time because we are using separate procedure for loading the class data in binary form.
Mm-hmm.
That and because we're using Java but not native code, this take a lot of time. And yes, of course,
Sorry for interrupting again. In comparison with standard Java method of loading classes, um, how much
it's
slows down loading of classes?
it's significant changes because uh, uh, if we loading bytecode from zipped folder like jar uh, using native methods, it's take just nanoseconds. But loading the same thing with Java take milliseconds. It's different in thousands times. Of course, it's work only special classes that are described in transformation matrix in in transform on transform name. If we can, I just need to take a look.
At line, just at line.
Yes, I just trying to find where is it. Okay, jar entry. It's already. Oh, just need to skip a bit. Run class transform. Yeah. Uh, so transforming exception. We actually will proceed over this loading every class that not match our previous comparison. Uh,
Compression. Okay.
yeah. It's mean actually we usually with launch wrapper it's only one class, the main class, but anyway, before we have a big performance issue with main class that, and this is not a problem because we anyway need to modify this class. And we have a little performance issue for every another classes because before before proceed these classes, we perform some comparison and so on.
Mhm.
That located starting from string
Uh,
starting from line
just say
95,
number line.
no, starting from line 95 and ending by 121.
Mhm. In first of appearance of find class in this.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Usually uh, if we work with that the first time, we if we're trying to load class for first time, we proceed all for this compare compression
Compressions.
compressions. Yeah. And for Minecraft launch class, we will proceed try catch and so on, and another compressions with uh, some security type and uh, with some name of class and more and more.
Exceptions like security manager of native Java virtual machine. This checks.
They no, they trying to. I know I don't know what this actually mean, but they check that if a package where class is located is sealed.
Mhm.
I don't sure what is it, but uh,
Sorry.
I just avoid this code. I don't think it's something that I really need to realize in my class loader for some kind of reasons that I describe. I don't describe later. Um, so, more, more need launcher.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, after we find class, transform this class,
We
finally
will
loaded
add.
this class, where we actually
Oh,
go when?
uh,
Where we
it
using
will
this?
return in the uh, to color to class that ask for loading these classes. And actually, this find class method also add this class to own a set that named cached classes or invalid classes if uh, class is not found.
Hmm. Why just
And
not
like
throw away class what actually invalid, not in list of invalid classes? Why just not
because
why just not drop this from mapping?
we don't need to proceed every comparison again if we already know that that class is not exist. It's actually very important because if you load if you create some debug version of this launch wrapper and take a look on some versions of Minecraft, you can see that sometimes some classes trying to load. It's actually valid for mods, for Forge, for example, and so on. Sometimes these mods trying to load classes that not exist, just to check some kind of to enable some additional functionality. For example, if we have two different mods and these mods has some additional expansions if they loaded uh, in same time. So, and
Loaded
if we
simultaneously. Again, sorry
if we,
for
if
interrupting.
we just if we will not cache add some create some cache of classes that not exist, we uh, can lose some time to check the classes that not exist
Mhm.
for a second and for a second time. So this is how it's working. So okay, I can share the screen right now. I don't know if my NTS will allow that kind of traffic because they actually work very not very well, actually very bad last few days. But I think it will be possible to show you something. Um, so I can.
Um, Roman,
Yes.
if possible, try speak more confident, if you can.
Mm,
Also, after we loading this class, loading these packages, trying to access mod loaders, Minecraft itself, uh, where we should go next.
uh, so when you actually don't understand that kind of things that we never will load our classes at start, yeah, because we only load the classes that are needed for now in this moment of time, and this means that if we have not fast class loader, we will have some lag spikes on loading classes during gameplay or so. So, what changes I make with this class loader and how it can be modified to work uh, a bit faster, yes, and actually uh, it's make a code a lot uh,
A lot cleaner.
cleaner, yeah, and beautiful actually. So
Hmm.
now in my version we have oh, two different class loaders, and both of them are used for loading Minecraft. Uh, so if we start from launch, where we creating our where we start our uh, launch wrap, we can see that. Oh, I just have issues with dependency.
Hmm.
It's not actually a problem. Okay, we can see actual launch procedure. We just on start, we create a Minecraft class loader using class patch that predefined on starting arguments. So we just take a class patch from system class loader and create the instance of Minecraft class loader using that. after some calculation of parameters that also sent to this launch wrapper, we ask Minecraft class loader to create another class loader that named launch class loader. And finally, we just load mm, launch class loader. Yeah, we just load launch target. It's a Minecraft main class with launch class loader, and using reflection API invoke main class without any problem.
Okay.
So what Minecraft?
Anyway, please point me at line of code what actually use it.
What do you mean line of code that will load this class
in
or
in in launch.java source file?
what do you mean?
Okay, we trying to just launch of modded version of Minecraft.
Yes.
We actually via launcher starting new program called launch wrapper, and we jump into entry point of net Minecraft launch wrapper Java launch wrapper launch.java, and we start calling new class loader. After that we making a mapping for good classes and invalid classes for just cache entities, and we after that continue transforming these classes to common names of net Minecraft Forge type classes.
So
What does it
here's
mean?
the problem in your understanding that we actually uh, in launch wrapper uh, don't load any classes, but just Minecraft Minecraft main class and nothing more. Only that class. And all another classes will be loaded already after invoke, after that line. I actually need to open my workspace file and fix.
I just showed this workspace file for a moment. If
I need to fix my online.
Mhm.
I don't.
Okay, sources updated. I not add this to GitHub cause
I
cause
cannot
of these
understand.
sources are is your property.
Oh, uh,
Um, just a few moments to viewers actually see these files.
I just want to load that class launch wrapper, but I have some problem with my dependencies for some reason. For
This
some
this
unexpected.
your workspace actually now on screen.
Yeah, I know. Just because I try to understand why. Why if I locate it in this folder, I just okay, I can copy that path and use it like that. Yeah, I need to modify everything in this path.
You actually have updated version of code workspace. of your software, of your launch wrapper,
I'm
actually.
just trying to fix the issue with this workspace because for some reason, oh, it's you mean
You have updated version.
unchecked.
Because
No, I
current
added
version
it
I get it is 020 version from Telegram, from our chat.
What if I? Oh, I know what is wrong. So yes, no problem here. It's just a problem because I open a folder but not workspace. I need to open workspace named Minecraft located here. Yes, now everything is okay. Now we can try to load this. So I just can enable some debug stuff and show you this process. I need to show you a launch class loader, find class. We just add some just after check if class is invalid or it's cached. So and it's starting Minecraft using that.
Roman,
So
you shown your side of stream now, yes?
yeah,
You just now streaming your code workspace at Discord.
yeah.
Okay. Uh, Sorry, Van, for not showing this process. I just literally lost track of it. So I add now Discord for just showing you what actual process are used by R4K, because we lost at Monday stream
Okay.
about launch wrapper. So so please wait for about 1 moment. I add this window.
No problem. Oh, yeah. Now I understand what's going on.
Um, on right 20, 32, 48 pixels. And drop down.
Я, конечно, скажу это на русском.
Хорошо. Окей.
Получается, вот find class, который вот в консоли тебе вываливается, она идет по всему класс-патчу и ищет классы тупо.
Find class, да, она загружает классы из класс патча. Но она это делает нативно.
Question about how launch process goes, and Roman says about this using native only method. Just wait for it does something.
So I prepared some test points. I prepared some breakpoints. And
So currently I showing right now your screen, so you can show
okay,
to viewers what actually you using now. This
so just to understand,
Visual Studio Code for
yes,
hi Telegram, please. Thank you.
I need to mute some people. Okay, I just press F5, yes, and
Yes.
this is starting of Minecraft. So first breakpoint started at launch class loader. It's my class that perform loading classes for Minecraft. And as we can see, the class that this class loader now trying to find is net Minecraft client Minecraft class. If I just press continue, we can see that we're loading dependencies of this class. It's not so long, just a few additional classes.
Hmm. So this class loader second, I see you name it. Just try to do what actually Java Virtual Machine do.
Yes,
Firstly,
it's
class loaded in memory when class loader searches dependencies inside this class via constant pool, via interface pool, via attributes pool, and load next class what actually
but
required for launching, and
I will show how it
and
works
do it
a bit
filter.
later. Now I just want you to take a look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're trying to load Minecraft client Minecraft class. I just disable this breakpoint for us for a few seconds and left breakpoint at the method invoke that will invoke Minecraft main class. So as you can see, we did not load so many classes. We load just a few of them, just few classes for some that it's dependency of Minecraft client Minecraft class.
Just minimal dependencies, you say.
Just this, it's loading
Mm-hmm.
the things that declared in imports, nothing more. If we just take a look into MCP,
This Minecraft coder pack for
yes, for Minecraft, we can see that we have just these classes that is loaded right here. Oh, listed right here.
so
So they just load the imports classes, and then we hit a breakpoint on invoke. So after that point, we will leave the launch wrapper and continue executing code from Minecraft. But if I just re-enable this breakpoint and hit continue button, we can see that we continue loading classes. And I can say more. I allow Minecraft to load.
Firstly load that vanilla class injector I seen at that moment.
So we loaded Minecraft. We hit main screen, but we still continue loading classes. I can go uh, deeper. Uh, Load some world. Okay. So we in world. We here. We
This
world.
just testing
Yes.
world at Minecraft version
Yes.
1.5.
But we still trying to load some classes using this launch wrap. And this is how it works. And as you can see, I skip the invalid classes and classes that already loaded successfully. It's just a new classes that trying to load.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So what modifications I did in this case? As you can see, I create a launch class loader.
Mm-hmm.
This class loader
This class loader.
is created specially uh, it's created especially for loading classes that are located in jar files that Minecraft is trying to connect to class paths. And if we uh, try to see what this class loader do, they uh, create invalid class cache, cached class cache. Uh, Also, they are trying to load class using their native method. This is a significant change that I create here. So this method is overridden, but here I call original method. Why I did that? Because if we just execute this code again and take a look uh, at this class loader, we have no class patch right now in this class loader because I specially did everything for this class loader to have no class patch.
Mm-hmm.
But
You
uh,
just keep this class path empty.
yes, but
Reason for that.
take a look at that. Reloading modified version of Minecraft. Um, yes. And now I just hit this breakpoint. Oh, yeah, it's bad example because I need to change my load definition. I need to load this Minecraft instead of, yeah, just I need to load that Minecraft jar, resources. Oh yeah, I see. I comment out that. I just trying to remember where I can find Minecraft with Forge on my computer. So take a while. I have no mods here, so I need to load my Minecraft from this location. So this is I need to add this to oh yeah here. Oh, I don't.
Just close Telegram, yes, for now. Just for now. Because you explaining a good topic, but actually we need to listen.
So I can change the game directory to load from my original Minecraft location, and I need to load modified version of jar file. Oh, actually,
Actually, what?
test MC. I need some. I need to check some. It's feature that I add, especially for this class loader. Uh, okay.
What kind of feature?
Oh, I see this will work. I just remove some thing that we don't need. As you can see, we have additional argument that name jar mods dir. I just specify this location. In this location, we have uh, uh, just few zip files with Forge and some other mods that must be installed into Minecraft directory or into Minecraft jar file. So, and as starting point from that, I select original, not modified Minecraft jar. As you can see, meta-inf is here
Meta
with
information with code signature
yes,
inside this file not modified.
yes, without modifications. I am copying this name and I will ask
You commented out correctly
Minecraft.
Minecraft jar, and you placing right now
Yes,
pass
it's
to.
important actually because I have special code that trying to find a Minecraft jar from class path.
Mhm.
It is important. Why? We need to know where original Minecraft jar is located. So, and now starting. Okay, we're loading. No problems here. Minecraft bed stack. I already seen this before, but actually,
Run Caperan stack, I see.
yeah, it's some kind of
This
wired
um,
hero that we
maybe this happens while you try to launch Minecraft Forge for this client.
maybe I can, for example, just ignore mods for now.
And relaunch.
Yes, and now yes, we have some problem with this jar
This
mod.
just vanilla loaded.
Yes, I actually think that we have problem with these files. maybe I was modifying that files.
Try not
I,
delete, just move these files from this
I
directory.
need to load backup.
Ah, you have modified files.
Yes, I think so. I just take a new one. Okay. Okay, the problem is not here. Actually, I a bit confused why it's not working right
This
now.
problem inside maybe in mods, maybe on Forge side. Can you change? Can you move away
Oh,
mods?
I think I know what is wrong. Oh no.
Common working directory you missed. Okay.
I think yes, but it's will broke some other stuff that I also need to modify. I did not expect that I stop. Maybe MCP. I don't need this. What changes I prefer? Oh, directory. Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, just undo these changes. And
You
I,
return to state where
yeah,
you actually saved this at Git repository in local branch.
yeah, remove here, everything from here, and just apply this jar here. And I need to be sure that Minecraft is exist in this folder.
So you actually need Minecraft jar in
So
current
a
working
bin,
directory.
I need folder as a bin, and I can actually copy that from my MCP jars bin.
So you need natives also.
Yeah, yeah, of course I need. Uh, so and what? So still have that like error.
Try relaunch again.
I don't sure what is going on here because I did some changes before, and this is the changes
Mm.
AVT canvas. It's tag. I previously get some sort of this error, but okay, okay, I can.
Just little quality issues, so don't worry about it.
Oh, I actually this here, and I don't like that. I need to remove. I don't verify my
You skipped verification statement for detection of
the
Minecraft.
problem is in my last modifications because I created based on some uh, get Minecraft file. I can So, anyways, no problem here. We don't need actually to launch Minecraft in that wired way. I can
Weird.
open this file. I can install jar mods manually
Mm.
without any problems. And I will find the error just a bit later. Okay. So, and now everything that I need
Mm.
to copy the string and disable loading jar mods. And we will load modified Minecraft. Yeah. The problem on Stack is because they trying to modify the class that loaded from another location, and this is problem I think because I skipped some very important steps just in my last commit. Uh, Here's no problem. So,
Mm.
so what's going on? Okay, I just close all my Minecrafts. I just clear, take a look. We started Minecraft. I'll get pointer.
Missing native libraries, I see. You actually need to add native libraries
Yes.
in definition.
Oh, I think I added. Yes, everything is okay.
Mm.
No such exception.
Java
Content.
library path equals bin natives. Open please current working dir and show me bin natives.
Here. Oh, oh,
Current working dir for
yes, it's here.
it's here.
Natives.
So this
It's
okay.
here.
It's okay.
They trying to load LVJ. Yes, it's a problem with loading resources. I see.
Mm.
Oh, that's my last notification.
LWJGL try to load natives native method in dynamic library files. So Roman now fixing this problem and searching this via what he recently changed in launch class loader.
Mm-hmm. And now we're oh yes, test 3 and several others. So now we on my previous commit, and I think here no such method exception. They
Uh, Minecraft just
what-
Minecraft via LWGGL JGL try to find native method to get pointer of OpenGL
oh,
library.
I see. The wrapper doesn't work right now.
Mm. Maybe this problem on Windows. Maybe I see you using Windows.
No, the problem. Oh, this is one of the problem with hmm, how I can. Sorry, I know how I can. Lost regard.
Mm. Stash and checkout, show comment output. You can.
What?
Mm.
Start change. Yes. Now we're on the right branch. I just want to copy this file. This is important because we have different version of uh, thing that need to modify jar on fly. And I have actually several problems with that previously.
Mm.
I don't know. I don't touch this launch wrapper actually for a week. So now we have a new file here. And we can load it as dependency. Oh, it's not as I expected. Maybe this will fix my problems.
Mm.
No. Oh. Oh.
Maybe you should check now
I
for
just I just play with this
local
code
native
because
code.
my testing code and I can broke here everything that you so I need to okay I just drop this change I switch on the line oh this was changes no nothing interesting here. I actually want to see the last commit changes. Not, I don't know if it's, uh, so what's the problems here? We're launching Minecraft, but we cannot load libraries. Yeah, you are absolutely right.
For now,
Some
you actually
problem.
can't launch cause issues to finding native methods. Or maybe while you try to launch LWJGL file.
Oh, my Minecraft is modified. Yes, it was modified. I actually can reinstall this too. Maybe it's the problem in installation of Minecraft. I have modified it too. And if it's true, then I need, yeah, try to load this. Just last try. Oh, yes, the problem in natives.
Mm-hmm.
Load Minecraft without any problem. Let's try to modify this Minecraft with fork. Uh,
Maybe I should
Wha-
now modify stream info cause we in Discord. Cause the session is discorded.
so why I showing that right now? What checker? Oh, I
You forget.
I install Nay instead of code chicken. No, just my mistake. I try to complete this as fast as I can, but instead I make mistakes. So yes, we loaded Minecraft with mods without any problem. Everything is okay. So what is going on here? We loaded Minecraft, and let's take a look at our launch class loader that, as you can remember, have no class path before on clean Minecraft without mods. I just yes trigger my launch class loader to I think I oh inject. I launch Minecraft. Yes. And now I just want to mm, mm, I have that I can clearly see that injectors work, but I don't understand why breakpoint doesn't work. Something going very wrong right now. I think it's because it not built. Yeah, I see. Yeah, of course. Um, it cannot build this Minecraft. So now,
Now this Minecraft detected all mods and started currently now.
yes, but Minecraft was loaded. Why? I don't understand which class loader is used right now because it's
Maybe
it's
it using launch class loader from your at first and switch it to a native one?
No, it's impossible.
Okay then.
Minecraft launch target. We're starting Minecraft, and we just close without any reason. Oh, oh, I think I know what is going on. They cannot detect Minecraft class properly. If we can see here, we have no URLs. Yes, of course. Now we're going into Minecraft class log here, and Minecraft jar with slash. Yes, it's just my mistake in my new code. It is here. I remove previous thing and after jar. How I must to do? I think
Sorry for
that-
coughing.
no problem. Sorry for delay. So now class patch. Yes, everything is not correct. Oh,
While Roman tried to fix this problem, in chat, viewers in chat, you have any questions? If you have questions, please write. I talk about it if you want.
I know that I must do something real like that, and then need to check if last. Oh no, I have idea better. I know
Should.
that here. So I think it's will no. It's broken. Everything I know. I know that -1. We need to check if -2 have this side, and then now I think everything will be perfect. No, no, doesn't perfect. Doesn't perfect at all. I don't understand why this is why just why. So minus oh maybe I just need select right offset. The problem is yes yes I fixed. We have
What
one
actually issue of this one? What with
because
what problem
I previous
you now stopped?
I previously modified this get Minecraft file as I say for my class loader it's important to know a real name of Minecraft jar file. And I have special function that take class path and Minecraft main class name and using URL class loader, native class loader, I get resource name of jar file, but I need to remove pass to the dot class file from this name, from this URI. And for that reason, I create some wired stuff with offsets and so on. I just calculate the um, special offset to take substring. And the problem here that in my class path, I left this symbol in the
Exclamation point, that simple
yes,
names.
yes, in the end of the string, and that is why class path is wrong for Minecraft class loader. So now I can launch Minecraft without any problems. Yes, as you can see, everything is loaded. Mods also loaded, and now let's oh, it's trying to download resources. So we take a breakpoint in launch class loader 2. And as we can remember, previously we have no class path here. But right now we have 25 files. And what these files is actually uh, means? What do you think?
I think this just passes to actual files in your file system. It is?
It's passed to all mods that Forge is trying to add to the class paths.
Just Forge mods, not what actual in jar mods like code chicken code, like not enough items, like Minecraft Forge at current time.
If the problem with bad stack caused by this error with my class loader, then I think we can try restore functionality of loading mods from folder. Launching rapid main. Yes, problem is fixed. Okay, so now you have see no difference, but this Minecraft and this mods is launched from jar file that have no modifications.
Unmodified jar file.
Yes,
you can say.
Actually, this file have no meta-inf, but
this file without code signing, meta information about where main class is actually.
It's just problem of this file because I can easily take clear 125 file with code signing without any problem. As you can see, code signing
manifest and code signature here.
You
what we usually show.
Here. So and specify it instead of this line. And launch. and we still get modified Minecraft without mod. And this is why it's happening. If I try to
Maybe I should return to my first question about that. Why not just add these mods to original ClassPass?
if you
Why
do
why
so,
why why it is why
you got
it
a
is
security
important not
exception.
add these to ClassPass?
You got a security exceptions or exception
Just security exception only.
because you have two different jar files with same package, but in Minecraft this package is synced, but in Forge is not, and you get security exception. And so I have stopped the Minecraft at the launch class loader. Why did I do that? You can, as I showed previously, the class paths of the launch class loader, the native class path, the class paths that will be used by native Java methods to load classes, is jars of the mod. It's mean, if you can see, that we will load a class from cached if we previously load one, or we will try to load this class using native methods almost immediately without any another checks. It's mean that mods will be loaded as fast as it possible without any uh, pauses, without any time loss.
Without any delay, actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, you want to say.
And actually, we have here we have a variable with name parent, and this variable is have a type Minecraft class loader. Why I did that? Because if we will not find class in our class path, in class path of mods, then we will try to load it using Minecraft class loader, and Minecraft class loader parent as class paths contains structure like this. It's original Minecraft jar for clear Minecraft, and all jar mods
What
and
actually required
with,
for launching mods?
yes, ended with original Minecraft. If we specify jar mods parameter when start my wrapper. And what this class loader actually do? Uh, it try to load resource using native method. It will take time. Actually, it will take some time, but only if we find the class that we trying to find. So
If we didn't find class, it takes
no,
time.
it's take the same time. Actually, almost the same time. So it's
But
take time for classes in Minecraft,
mm-hmm.
but it's needed. We can't avoid this. Why? Why? Because I will define class using that. It's needed to.
You need that just for only defining class and saving this class in variable.
Why I need to load all Minecraft original Minecraft classes in that way that a bit slower than loading using native method of loading classes. It's because I will skip code signature using that. When I create this class, I specify code source with code signature without code signature, and this is allow to jar mods from external sources to be loaded. I create the class and return, but as you can see, we just we trying to load with cache. First of all, it means that we ask the file system only if we ask the class for first time. And second
once,
point of this,
just once.
that yes. And second point, we anyway ask a native method find resources.
Find resource, I see.
Yes, to get bytecode, and then open stream and return. Yes, it's slower than loading class in a normal way, but it will be performed only for the classes in Minecraft jar or for classes in Forge, but not for the mods classes. And this is significant change. For first time, we make loading slower only for the Minecraft classes, but not for the mod. And actually, we can swap this bit of code with this bit. It's replace the
Roman,
way
Roman,
how
sorry for interruption again. Roman, try not to use
we if we don't find class in Minecraft, then we ask parent. That is a system class loader that have original class path that was being specified in launching arguments. It means it contains J input, LVJJL, and so
on. Can we avoid J input from launching? This question just relative.
For what reason? You can just not specify this in class path, and then it will be not loaded. But I don't think that is a good idea.
Just for my knowledge, J input not required at earlier versions of Minecraft. For some for some reason, it required for alpha versions, for beta versions of Minecraft. Not from 1.0 and to latest version.
Actually, the problem here is that J input is dependency for LVJJL. I don't sure if Minecraft actually calls these methods that used by that the classes that have dependency of J-input in the JJ. Maybe Minecraft just not call these classes. Then everything will be okay. But if in some way, in some of field, it will ask J-input,
Maybe
J
maybe
the
while
classes,
while you try to push some buttons on keyboard, maybe you have
or on your
joystick or
uh,
gamepad
no,
you
it's
actually
it's
using
work in
in
another way.
Minecraft.
It's work if Minecraft will ask LVJGL some classes that have dependency from J input, you will get an exception and Minecraft just close.
Mm.
That's why better to have this
In
jar.
in native version of Minecraft, I never had this situation where input are actually
Yes,
required.
I also think that Minecraft just not uses the classes that have dependency on J input, but
But some classes
just be
in
sure.
LWJGL are required this way.
Yes, have that dependency. If we don't load, as you can see from my loader, from my special logs, when I enable logging of all loading classes, we the Java will not load the classes before it's actually called. And we actually with this launch wrapper we can just brute force that and ask Java to load every single class in Minecraft. And maybe, just maybe, uh, it's give a result of best, but it's possible without any problem. But if you don't did, did something like that, you will load classes just when it's asked. If you, as you can see, I open inventory and we load just few new classes. And this L is mean that these classes
These classes are
uh,
loaded
loaded
correctly.
loaded for first class or for first time. As I explained, this printout is located after loading cached classes.
Hmm.
So if I for now take for example
For example, recipe or switch it to
blue
cheaper
olive
mode. Just
furnace,
this just for testing. This is not actual
just
gameplay.
I just take a blue olive furnace, I place it. As we can see, we already asked Iloram machine tile blue entity because we create a tile entity. If I open, we ask a few more classes for first
Like
time.
like a container blue alloy
But if
furnace,
I
slot alloy
I
furnace, and everything else
if
actually
I
required
do
for
that
launch.
for second,
We asking some classes while
okay. Oh no,
so continue.
I just it's a thing that tell you about in start of our stream. For example, Nay ours asked for these classes, but these classes is not cached or available, and I interested in why.
Mm.
So we're trying to load it using native method, and it's not located in the mods folder. No problem. We're trying to load it using Minecraft class load.
Which is used
Load class. And enter. And we go into the Minecraft class loader. Maybe as I remember, I have some kind of error here. Maybe it's, oh, actually I think I know what is wrong. Yeah.
This just try a lot
Minecraft jar, but we don't find anything. So we check if we find exception.
that actually apparent.
And we got an exception that I did not
IO exception now. File not found,
but
class not found.
But actually, why? I don't need actually a catch exception because when I return thread run, why? Oh, it's interesting.
Interesting what?
Oh, we got a rising exception that was returned from uh, yeah. I need to catch this exception just and so and this is fix this error that I not found before. Thank you for your uh call. So now we will if class is invalid, it will be invalid forever without any exceptions. So yes, as you can see, we open this window.
NEI is mod called as not enough items for searching these types for giving some items like too many items in older versions.
So
So this just for information.
just to that created by Mojang. My it's uh, in that I will load that will improve speed of this offloading of these classes.
Mm-hmm.
I I don't really
You better.
I oh okay, of course. I just trying to remember find call source for connection file name transform um file name on transform replace class. Yes, Minecraft actually also will load every class bytecode without exceptions, almost, but will not launch a transformer all that, as I remember. Yes, package name, define package. Huh, interesting. So, anyway, jar file, manifest. In my class loader, we loading all class. Oh, sorry. We will load the classes from Minecraft in not the fastest way, but this will allow us to load jar mods without any modifications of original jar. What does that mean? And why I uh, uh, spend so much time to do something like that? Because using that,
This file via not Notepad++, but via code. And
what's this is my test um, description for the new Minecraft launcher uh, that allows to load Minecraft with mods. As the jar file, it will download original client. The way how we can create mod packs for Minecraft. And actually, as you can see here, we have you know one or just two com uh, find class for launch class loader that will perform finding classes for uh, everything that loaded by Minecraft. Its mod and so on. If you can remember, for some mod packs we have about 100 of jars of mod, and this will increase performance for these mod packs actually. And
this
then we
this
trying
this
to load
increases performance by how much?
is need to test, but I think 1 or 2% maybe.
Mm. So this
It's increased.
this
Actually,
this method just slightly
maybe
increasing
yes,
loading of.
yes.
Mhm.
So, and then we loading class using native methods, or if it fails, we loading classes from Minecraft using different class loader. And if it fails uh, and class is not loaded, and then we trying to load our natives, so lvjja, j input for most times almost fully loaded before Minecraft starts already. And this is not create some issues with performance because this class is not. We have a little chance to get uh, here after Minecraft is loaded.
Mhm.
So it means that we just have one performance issue that not bigger than issues here in original Minecraft, and also we have bigger functionality because we can load classes from different location without any problem.
Mhm. Uh, so I have a little one question um about loading. Sorry for um I forget question. Sorry, Roman. I just forget question.
No problem.
You.
Interesting decisions here because, for example, actually this Minecraft class loader is never create a new classes. Yes, it's loads class. Uh, but if we then skip on next cycle, so Minecraft main is loaded, but let's take a look into this loader. We have
Mhm.
special um, variables named packages and classes. Both of that is size 0 because we have um, launch class loader is parent. Minecraft jar is I need to find the variable name. Oh, but if we take a look at classes loaded by large class loader, we can see that it was loaded the
Sorry.
Minecraft class. We clearly seen that uh, Minecraft class is asked to loading by this class loader, but it was asked launch class loader to load Minecraft. And this is important. This class loader, it's created just to fast finding the classes in jar and nothing more. We find
I should hide this. No, 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 no. You can continue. You just enable Telegram and show us the
yeah,
answer.
I know. I just need to check class. So we load in this class. Yes. But then we will address creating of this class to the launch class loader. This is important because if we do this in that way, it means if for ask their class loader to load class VP, if I will create the Minecraft load class, but for me, as you can see, for my architecture, it's important, it's crucial to Minecraft ask to load classes from this class loader, and that is why I create this cross reference and create this wild stuff.
So I have a question, but actually I should say before of your continuing question about what if mod have own meta information and own code signing. This class loader
That skip code signing, it's Minecraft class loader. It means that
but not skipping code signing in mods. I asking about
so,
mods have meta information with code
listen
signing.
careful. Listen careful.
Hmm?
Minecraft is class paths. It means that code signing will be skipped only for Minecraft jar and jar mods and files that specified as jar mod. Only for these files. Code signing will be skipped. For mods that loaded from launch class loader, as you can see, we never skip the security. We actually we ask the original class loader from the Java API. If we just click here, we ask URL class loader to load this class. And this class loader perform all security checks for mods.
Okay. This question about just for if somebody modified that mod class file of mod in mods, and this class can be used as exploit of current game, like a cheats. This question just about that. But mod actually have signatures for all of classes.
Actually, as I said before, this launch wrapper allows to load any jar modifications without um,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you can continue your description of your project.
attack. Okay. Oh, actually, I almost done here. So just few notes about this class loader. Also important for this class loader is to perform the same skips for resource loading, because we have not full class paths here, we have no full class paths here. This is why I override original get resources to try loading resources from your class path. Load resources from Minecraft, and if it's for some reason it's important because it will uh, make some issues with loading mods. So also I especially override the add URL for Minecraft class loader to avoid some kinds of unexpected modifications of this class path, because as I say, it's important for Minecraft class loader to have only in class path only the Minecraft and its jar mods. Okay. Also,
Continue.
interesting class path, and it was used for yes to why I don't see any use cases. Oh, okay, it's here. It's because it's here. Cached class, get URLs. Yes, sources to array. Also, if some mods, for example, yes, like Forge, will ask us where is located the sources plus path. Yes, jar mods. It's also important. Also, and as you can see, the class loader for Minecraft for jar mods will also specify the package. I don't actually see where, but I also remember that I specified the package package. Define class and package in Minecraft class loader. Oh, I see. Yes, I create special find every classes that loaded from this class loader are in that way as this classes is located in Minecraft jar. It's also important for Forge, for example. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And we will return original class path, as I say,
Mm-hmm.
that
What resume about your doing?
so
Just
I
just assume. Just assume.
I created a class loader that have a bit more performance than original one, that original launch wrapper written by Mojang,
Mm-hmm.
that have a bit cleaner code, that easy to read actually, and also this class loader or is this launch wrapper is allow you to load jar mods like Forge or so uh, without modifying the Minecraft, just by specifying the location of this Forge file.
And last question for your presentation. This code be in Mojang's repository in future,
I don't
or
think so. And for
this
this we
be
have,
as another wrapper use it.
I think I
This
created
this this
as
this just a fork.
I will create another repository and create its a separate launch wrapper just inspired by original one. Be- uh, no reasons for creating fork because the wrappers are really different, have many difference in their behavior. Ever will see this launch wrapper as original one. This is impossible. And actually, I don't think that somebody will use this launch wrapper just because it's set, but for new versions, the mods like Forge or a Fabric, it's this mods wrapper. They modify the private fields of this launch wrapper to launch wrapper as the uh, my two also have this package. Oh, I know when we load Minecraft class. modify this resource cache by writing the code of their classes into this set.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't understand. They don't load just different files like in Forge. The classes that
Just call archive loaded in memory.
more.
Okay. This
Did
important
did
thing
anyone
in
said
different.
how long it will take
Mm,
to
um,
take
s- s-
every single class in Minecraft and load this in memory?
mm. Maybe it is a good solution for just you load whole file in memory, and if you change this file, you actually not have changed copy in your memory, so you can actually continue to run with this copy. This just difference between Forge, Forge or Mojang class loader to Fabric loader class loader.
Oh, and this is reasons that make me sad because actually yes, uh, I have write the really interesting class loader that will allow us to play, for example, old Minecraft versions like Feed the Beast Retro SMP without
Mod
any
pack.
problem on new launcher, without just by writing one uh, configuration file for new launcher of Minecraft. We just write the correct uh, file. They also place this launch wrapper into libraries, and so we can start without any problem.
So for now, if chat have questions, please ask now your questions. I be right back at a few moments. Just for translate this questions to into you. So for now, I just away for a few moments. So we are back, and I now see currently questions. Um, so Roman, in chat we have maybe in next time I ask you for a report you actually done for this project. So switch to my current project, what actually is uh, handling OBS and PyPI uh, together. Jumping right back to stream. Move this window capture, and I have question for chat about current stream quality. You have a question or something about uh, frame drops or something? Started new different new project that actually requires some knowledge of current protocol of pipe wire. We started new socket, we created multimedia handles in audio like jack, like STD.io, SND.io, what actually use it ALSA for Linux, or Windows Audio what actually use it in Windows. Okay, let's continue to sending information inside PyPI socket. Like currently I used Helvum for just passbane what I use for my audio setup. So send in control messages and try to receive in next one. We actually need GNU protocol for receiving message, for transmitting message. So I can try for sending message to Pipewire. Just that. What? Long interview. We look at Java code. We'll see more important message about how thing goes. At echo we received empty. Empty action. We just get nothing. We just throw in from socket now. Not available. We're receiving nothing else. We try to use we just need to do action. Maybe it is wrong. Be back. I returned. Uh, I try continue to get why we using right form of message, but actually get empty result. Maybe it is not using JSON kind of JSON format string in input of actual socket. Okay, we should continue. We just need to know about protocol we using. Okay. And get nothing. Maybe I should change project because we not have good handling for by wire. It's more complex if I want open, read, and write this code. GStreamer is recommended way to do that. So we can use this way. Importing G. No, from GI repository import for. But I need. I use a namespace for GST because it is GStreamer, and version of GStreamer is 1.0. If I correct, I see GST here. Currently I not add this to repository. But actually never called. Yes, I can use hints from I just try import and do this just from import. The bunking me. Code just bunking me. Oh, there's so many. Template is available. I not use require for region, but require version. Now it is okay. Now I can use PyG object API reference site from Laska. So I should add functions to code to using program. We need to use init. This is just for loading. On this function does not work in the same way as corresponding functions. Just style. So trying to GST init with empty list. Yes, with empty list of strings. And maybe we need to try init check. Not just init. And we need after that close the streamer. Finalize the streamer. And not have definition for closing it. I just initialize this library and I cannot continue. But about ending state. Not important. Just somebody sent a message to me. Maybe we can actually not oh, thank God. By followers, viewers, why you sent this message to me? just for initialization plugin. Structures. Maybe this isn't important. From this moment, from initialization, actually, we can get all categories for debugging. We can do everything. Oh, I see. I see. Method called the_init, not finalize or close. All GStreamer functions and everything just flushed in memory, and we can use it again. For me, it is important. So we try use this method. I just want to see all categories of what actually we can use. Okay, fine. We just have a list. For each method we can and after check we just look at make or bake code for OBS. Bake source for OBS. This is just context. Why no description? This quality of service, meta information, polling data registry. Default. Just too much messages inside of Telegram. Just data flow. So we can use GStreamer for PyPI handling. This can be important. So I'm making class now just for GStreamer. This use it only for handling. Define initialization. The initialization we must use at deletion definement. Sorry for cow. If we not get check okay, we should send a message about what? GStreamer are not working. With these arguments. Currently, I sent empty arguments. Without knowing protocol, we cannot say to PyPire what I can do, or do this and get me a result. We just cannot do that. This must be arguments here inside. So we can actually add these arguments here. Yes, I use word streamer for GStreamer, but actually GNOME streamer. Maybe I here use user controlled input just for execution. Do not do that in your project, cause this really bad issue can contain really bad issue. Just really bad issue. I do this just for testing. And we actually need a G-object for that. Maybe this part of code is a problem. No, this isn't part of the problem. Okay, so we can sorry about sister. Okay, trying to use another method, not GST debug get stack trace. Instead of that, we use get main executable pass. This should be an error. Not error. Trying to print. This argument not used. But executable pass is exactly what I should see. This is important. I add here to do about removal this code. Because it is this code actual can be user controlled, and it's really need to be removed. And I use this just for testing. Oh. Another way to test we initialize it or not initialize it is using GST is initialized. If it is initialized, then we can see through. This part of init check. Actual 0 is this. So I need to change this cause a typo. Yes, clean up your code from typos. I can try use this function just for checking library falls down or not. On output we have integer. This okay. Okay, let's try to create a source, create create everything actually. Also for test parse launch I can try to use. This just returns to me element with keyword arguments. Okay, let's try sample of just streamer code. CLI code. Okay, let's try to use this code. Let's set the GST launch. No element mat. We not use mat. And we get back pipeline. This okay. So we can actually do handlers and use handling for current class. So at current time we may be ending this translation, this broadcast, and get back to our OBS interactor at next Wednesday, or maybe I can continue this project at Friday. Chaos gaming stream was cancelled until Russian invasion at Ukraine stops. For me, it is just more important than game. So for now, stay safe, be honest, and just try programming. Sorry for today's broadcast cause of some features of broadcasting I not expected actually. So for everyone, thank you. Maybe at Friday I go stream again, but not game. We continue to our OBS interactor software. So for now, I add in this code. I not add main cause of this just for testing, just for my purposes. But I add handle for GStreamer cause we didn't have handles for Papaya. So we add it now in gate when we can try to commit, but I add only GStreamer in. This just minor adding. So I committing and pushing this in our Git repository for this project. So current stream now stopping. Thank you everyone. How many viewers? 2 viewers. Everyone please send a message in chat just for I see you here, you actually watching me, and I rate somebody who actually doing same stuff as I today. But without interviewing. If no one writing this, I just stop stream now. Then. Or maybe not. I'm not seeing projects on Python. So, then thank you everyone for joining me, for staying with me. Maybe I see you at Friday. Thank you all.